that sound in your head? What if I could help?
Oh, how to shut him up. I know. Memory lane. Professor Lazarus. Remember him and his genetic manipulation device? What, did you think little Tish got that job merely by coincidence? I've been laying traps for you all this time. And if I can concentrate all that Lazarus technology into one little screwdriver. But, ooh, if only I had the doctor's biological code. Oh, wait a minute. I do! I've got his hand. And if Lazarus made himself younger, what if I reverse it? Another 100 years? Teleport. We can't stop him. Get out of here. Get out.
Doctor, I've got you.
Ah, she's a would-be doctor. But tonight, Martha Jones, we've flown him in, all the way from prison! Come on, move.
I'm sorry.